Utsaha is an item in bhakti. First, the utsaha. Just like this boy, he did not come here. He is so utsaha, enthusiasm. So it should be encouraged. And this whole basis of this devotional service is utsaha. It's like, unless there was utsaha, how a man of 70 years old, without any hope, could go such distant place from Vrindavan to New York. The only platform was utsaha. So utsaha is so important. Means they should be encouraged spiritually. Utsaha, sajja, nishchaya, tattva karma pravartana.